Good morning, I am Nicole James Barong, and today I will show you how to install and uninstall an OS using a flash drive. So all you need to prepare is your flash drive and your laptop. So here we go. We'll start with downloading the OS that we will be downloading. So I will be downloading the Windows 10 here. I'll be downloading the Windows 10, and first you have to click the download tool now. Create Windows installation media. So first, download tool now, and it will just take few seconds if you have a fast internet connection, and you have to open it. So click yes. In downloading or in setting this up, it will just take few minutes or few seconds if you have a fast internet connection. So I will just skip this part, and then if since it's ready now, let's continue with the process. First, you have to accept all the applicable notice Microsoft software license terms. Accept, and then let's wait for a while. Again, if you have a fast internet connection, it will just take a few seconds. So once it's done, you will be leaded into this. So since we will be downloading using a flash drive or installing using a flash drive, so we will choose the create installation media USB flash drive, and then click next. And then in this part, you will select the language, architecture, and edition, but I recommend you use the recommended options for this PC. So let's click next, and then since you'll be using flash drive, we should click the flash drive, and I'll plug in my flash drive now. And the next one we should do is refresh the drive list, and here you can see the Kingston that I'll be using. So next one is here, the downloading progress of Windows 10. So I'll just skip this part and wait until it's done. After downloading, you will go to verifying your download, and you just have to wait for a few minutes more. So I have booted my computer, and it leads me to this. So it's up to you if you want to choose anything else, and then for me it's already okay, so I'll click next, and then install now. And setup is starting. You just have to wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So since this is already Windows 10 Pro, I mean my laptop is already Windows 10 Pro, I'll just show you what to do. And then since I can just click the I don't have product key, since I can just put it later, but if you do have a product key, you can also type it and then click next if you have one. And then since I do have Windows 10 Pro set up already, I can click the Windows 10 Pro. So it depends on your laptop if what kind of Windows that you have that your laptop is compatible with. Then next, and then after that you just have to I accept the license terms and then click next, and then since I do have already the Windows 10, I'll just have to click install Windows and keep files since I'll have to upgrade. I mean you'll be installing. After that you'll be led into this part in which you will be choosing where do you need to install the where do you want to install your Windows, and then after that you have just to click anything. All you have to do is to make sure that your drive is compatible or is you don't have imported files, so because it can wipe out all your files inside. So since mine is already you can just format anything in here if you don't have any spaces, but for me I can't really format anything in here. After that you can click next, and then it will lead you to change set up your account, and then it leads you to setting up more, and then you can after that you'll be installing your Windows. So that's all for me. That's all for now. Thank you.